Hi, and thanks for tuning in to the Teacher's Teacher. Today we will be looking at calculator hacks that can be used on your TI-Nspire graphing calculator. These hacks can be used to master the Algebra 1, STAR, and of course exams. Let's take a look at problem number 19. Which graph best represents the solution set of negative 4x is less than or equal to 6y minus 54? In order to graph this inequality as it appears, we will need to go to the home screen. Once on the home screen, you will need to select New Document. It will ask you if you want to save changes, and you will select No. After selecting No, add a graph. You will notice f1 of x equals appears on the screen. We will need to select the Delete button in order to delete out the equal sign. A menu will appear once you do so. You will need to select Relation. Once you have selected Relation, you can type in any equation or any inequality as it appears in a problem. Let's enter the inequality given here. Negative 4x is less than or equal to. In order to get the less than or equal to inequality symbol, you will need to press Control equals, and a menu will appear. Select the less than or equal to inequality, and then continue typing. 6y minus 54, and press Enter. You will notice a graph appears. Remember, our question said, which graph best represents negative 4x is less than or equal to 6y minus 54. On the screen, it is evident that the shading appears to be above the graph. Therefore, we can delete or eliminate any answer choices where shading appears to be below. Let's look at answer choice A. The shading appears to be above the graph. Let's look at answer choice B. The shading appears to be below the graph. Below the graph, we will eliminate answer choice B. Let's look at answer choice C. The shading appears to be above the graph. Let's look at answer choice D. The shading appears to be below the graph. Since the shading is below the graph, we can eliminate answer choice D. Now, take your cursor and hover on the line. You will notice that the line is solid. Based on our two remaining answer choices, we can eliminate answer choice C because it is a dotted line. So we know our answer to our problem is answer choice A. Thanks for tuning in.